So guys, your boy Amazing Prosper. Please, I really appreciate you clicking this video. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing, turn your bell notification, hit that like button for your boys. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded as a Forex day trader last week and how I'm going to be trading as a Forex day trader this week. Yeah, so remember the last episode I shared with you guys how I'm going to be doing things on GJ and all those things that I said happened. So in this one, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I traded last week, as I said, and how I'm going to be trading this week. So if you are new here, consider subscribing, turn your bell notification. Let's go directly to the video. And also, I'm going to be sharing my strategy in this video. So watch this video to the end. Let's go.
As I'm saying, bro, so this year is going to be an amazing year for each and every one of us. I'm serious about this. Like this year, each and every one of us is going to make a lot of money. If you believe it, comment below. Because do you know why I'm saying this? I'm saying this with a positive mindset. Not only positive mindset, I'm like optimistic about this because I'm seeing how the future is going to be. If you have been grinding all this while and you are trading and you haven't been making a lot of money, or you don't make money as much as you want, this year we need to put more effort. We need to make it happen. We need to create so many things because this year is going to be an amazing year between each and every one of us, like, because we are going to learn more things and we are going to apply all those things that we have learned or we are going to learn in the future. So I am trying as much as possible to make this video very short. I won't allow this video to be long. How I trade with 4 things. So the first one, let's bring out this thing. The first thing I do is this. Yeah. So the first thing I use when I'm trading is this. High and low of the wick. High and low of the wick. The second thing is chart pattern. The third thing, psychology levels. The fourth thing, trend lines. So this is the 4th thing I use whenever I'm trading, and it has been helping me all this while. So if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, this is the right moment to join, because this week I'm going to be trading from Tuesday. So any opportunity I see from Tuesday, I'm going to be posting it on my Telegram channel, because I'm not playing this year. As I said, no demo trading this year. If it is $10 that you are trading, be proud about it, fund it. If you're in Nigeria, you know what dollar is all about right now. So I'm going to start a series like flipping $10 account. That's what I'm going to do. So I've said this time without number that my trading channel or this YouTube channel is not much more about people who are gurus or people who are already top there, people who are doing better, or people who are cashing out. Like, this is not it. This YouTube is for newbies. It's for people who are struggling. I want to help as much as possible. People who are going through what I've been through. That's the people that I want to help on this channel. That's the people that I want to supply. That's the people that I want to feed with knowledge and the ability and grow together with. That's the people that I want them to be together in this. Is it car or plane? Let me use plane on this airplane that I'm going to be flying with this year. So I want those people. So I'm going to be starting a series like $10, flipping $10 from this week. So we are going to be doing it together. So I'm going to be realistic. I'm showing you guys whenever I'm getting in the lot size, the flipping, everything that I'm going to be doing this year, I'm going to be showing you guys. So I'm also going to be trading volatility. So let's see how it goes. From Wednesday, maybe I can also fund that account and show you guys how I'm doing it, because I'm not playing this year. So this year is the year that we are going to make money. Excess money. I'm buying my Range Rover this year. I'm not playing. Remember, I told you guys, if you have been following me on this way, remember the Range Rover Sport that I told you guys that I want. I like Range Rover Sport Velar. Yeah, not just because of I know someone who have it, like my mentor have it. No, but because I have already loved that car even before my mentor bought it. So that's why I'm happy. I love Range Rover Sport. I'm a fan of Range Rover Sport. So I love Range Rover Sport, Range Rover Velar so much. So I'm buying it this year. I'm not playing. I'm buying Range Rover Velar. I'm building a house or buying a house. I'm doing all those things this year. Not playing. I have all those goals right here with me. So this year is going to be amazing. So these 4 things that that is here. So let me show you guys. So the high and low of the week. Yeah, so this week the candle just started, which is this. The first one is this. So now we can't even select the high and low because the candle have not closed. So once this one closed and the next one closed, then the lowest where this candle closed, which is this week that you are seeing here, any place that it closed, that's the low. So the next one will determine where it gets to. So this next one may get up to here. So anywhere that one close, that's the high. If that one get below here, that means that one is going to be the low. So where this one close will be the high. So let me show you that from last week because the market have not closed and the candle are not completed here now to show you that example. So let me show you from last week. So last week, this is Monday. Okay, let me bring that the session bridge. The session bridge event. You go to events, then you put these session breaks on. So let's see how it look like. Okay, simple. I like it. It's bold enough. So this is this switch. So when you put on that thing, when you turn on that thing that I turned on right now, it will bring out this one. So and the next one. So the next one will determine if you get up here, as I said, then you put it. So let's use the example of last week. So last week, this is Friday. This session break show you the break of each day. This is one day, second day, the third day, the fourth day, and the fifth day. So that means reverse, which is the first day, the second day, the third day, the fourth day, and the fifth day, which is Friday. So the first day is this. So the high and low of the week, the way I do mine is very simple. This is the count that I said. Here is Monday. So the what you will do also, if you look below here you will see how the dates will showing down here, which is the 29th of January. So this is Monday. Look at what I was saying. So this is the high of last week. This is the high where the candle gets to. Leave it. So this is the high. You place it high here, and this is another high here. Amazing. I know what I'm saying. So this is the high and low of the week. So how I trade this strategy is very simple. Once the market breaks out this place, it has gotten to 50 pips on this place. See it from here, from this place that you break out to this place. This is about 20 something pips, Abi. Yeah, 24 pips. But if you measure it to this low or this one, you see this is about 7 something pips. So but the first candle that break out, which is this, is showing us that bears are active. It's not up to, it's above 50 pips if you are counting this one. But the reason why I'm not counting this one is because once I see this one and see this one, and you see this one, it break out and it close here. So this candle that close here will be my entry point. This one particular here, I'll go over to the lower time frame, which is 15 minutes, where I get in and I will see opportunity to get in for a sell opportunity here. So that's massive. So what this thing helped me do is that every time I see this kind of thing in a week, once the candle break out from this zone, this is showing me that this week is going to be a sell opportunity, and that's what happened. What are you seeing here? You are seeing a sell opportunity that get to this zone. It didn't even get to the low of the week. It started tanking from that place to the downside. So this is a very great opportunity. If you are trading a day trader, from here you will sell to here. Even here you will still get for a sell opportunity, and you will still sell to here. That means from Monday you will sell. Sorry, from Tuesday, which is where I start trading, you will sell. If you know very well how to place your trade, you will sell. Let's see something from here. Remember, this is 4 hours to somewhere where it gets to before it starts reversing. Remember, this candle get to this place. This one get to this low first before the market push down from that place, from here to this zone. You see 64 pips. So 64 pips is not playing, bro. 64 pips, if you knock it 10 lot size, you know what it is. if you put on 10 lot size and get 64 pips from this place, bro, this is about $9,000 or $9 to $10,000 you are picking out from that place. So right now, what we are going to be doing this year is more of action, less talking. So from here you make money. If you know how, if your exit plan is very top notch, then you get out and wait for a reversal, which is the following day you get in for a sell opportunity. Here, look at this one, was so massive. here. If it's just a day trader that you are just getting, if you get in a day before the night you close, it's 140 something pips. You get me? So last week you see how the market yesterday, the Wednesday, on Wednesday of that week, which is last week, you see what happened here. The market come back to this zone again and retest this zone. It didn't even cross above that zone. So on lower time frame, you can see opportunity here again to get in. Let's check how many pips from their place to here. What are you seeing? 100 something pips again. So because of your exit strategy, you can also exit here, because I know on the lower time frame there is some certain things that will show here that you will know that, okay, this place, I am done from this place. If I'm in this market and I'm seeing this thing, I will get out, because I know on the lower time frame there are so many things that will happen there. That's on Wednesday. So you can see very clear. So I'll also put the next thing that I showed you guys, which is the psychology level, and that's where I'll be getting all this in that I was saying. So let's put the next one. We have brought in our high and low of the week. Let's off it. So I just turned it off. So the next one is chart pattern. So the chart pattern that I trade is very simple. Is M and W. So you can see this place. This is an M chart pattern, which is a double top chart pattern. And if I want to get in for a buy opportunity, I trade the W, which is the double bottom chart pattern. It's very simple. So let me draw something for you guys. Yeah. So hold on. Trying to bring your hand. So this is what I do. Let me keep it on a drawing mode. Stay drawing here. So this is for a buy opportunity. So what about for a sell opportunity? Simple. Sorry guys. So this is it. This thing is not looking fine, but anyway, it is what it is. Let's go. Leave it now. I don't know what it's doing. Okay, let's delete this one. So this is a W and this is an M. So this is what I trade basically as the chart pattern. Once I see it on a lower time frame, whether it's 15 minutes where I get in my, or 1 hour. The 1 hour, remember, on a lower time frame, what you see on lower time frame is happening on a lower time frame, and what it means is that the movement is not going to be as much as the higher time frame. So whenever you are doing something on a lower time frame, you know, okay, here is a lower time frame, here is 15 minutes. What I'm searching for here is just 30, 40, 50 pips. When you get to 1 hour, you know, okay, what I'm seeing here is about 60, 70 to 100 pips. When you go to 4 hours, you know, okay, what I'm seeing here is a pip that is a market or a movement that's going to give me a higher pip move. So from 4 hours, you are seeing like 150, 200, 300. It depends on where you see it. So that's the next one. That's the second one. So the next one is psychology level. So amazing. So let me show you guys how I get my psychology level. Let me get rid of these things. Okay, let me delete all drawing. Oh no, I don't want to delete this guy. I don't want to delete the high and low of the week, so that you guys will understand. So let me delete them one after the other. So it's very simple. What I'm saying is very simple. So that's the chart pattern. So the psychology level is also simple. So the psychology level is this: round up numbers. So you come to over where the market is and you search for a round up number. So here the round up number that is closer here is this. 185.000. That's the roundup number. So you may be wondering or asking, what is psychology levels? So psychology levels are roundup numbers that bank, hedge fund, the big boys, people who move this market, pay close attention to. So remember, this is where I put the market to 185.000. If you go down there, you can see, look at what happened here. What are you seeing here? You are seeing that the market obeyed this zone 185.000. What about if you go back, if you still go back maybe on a daily? Hold on, my this thing is loading. Okay. So this is daily. So if you pay close attention to it, this zone, you see what happened here. See the way the market is obeying that zone 185. You see how the market closed above that zone. So for me, I take this as a support and resistance zone. So for me to do that is, for me to make it as a support and resistance zone is, I'll start duplicating it to the upside, or anywhere the current market is. So let's use this 4 hours, this daily as an example again to put more. So the next one will be this. This is the next one. 185.500. So if you use your measurement tool to calculate it, you see that this is 50 pips. From this 185.500 to this zone is 50 pips. So if it's above 50 pips, you are wrong. If it's below 50 pips, you are also wrong. It have to be 50 pips. It have to be 50 pips. From that side, you put another one to the upside. The upside is 1.186.0000. That's the next one. So let's cancel this. So that's the next one. You see? Then you put another one. 0.500. The next one is 500. You see this? So if you pay close attention to all this, let's go over to 4 hours. Let's see how the market is moving. You see all those things? You see what happened here? See what happened here? Once the market reaches psychology level, what are you seeing? The market start obeying those zones. So that's how you're going to do it and duplicate it to the upside. Then you start looking about those zones and start paying close attention to it as the big bands and the big boys pay close attention to them. So we have dealt with this one, high and low, chart pattern, psychology level. So the trend line. So my trend line strategy is also simple. Is this? So you pick this line, trend line, then you measure it from here to here. So trend line doesn't matter the time frame where you draw your trend line. Any time frame, as long as it passed the relevant test, it is okay. So at this zone, you can see this thing is loading. My internet, I think, is working fine. Yeah, I think it's working fine. Amazing. So you can see, so this market now passed a relevant test because I am waiting for it to come back to make a third touch. So the third touch on the trend line is one of the plays that move aggressively. So what I mean about the relevant C test is this trend line from here to this zone. Was relevant when the market was here, but the market is no longer here. You can see. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to make the market to touch it very well. Yeah, so this market from here, when the market was here, it was relevant. Do you understand? It was relevant, clearly relevant. You can see first touch, second touch, the market bounce to the upside, the third touch. Remember, this is 4 hours. So this thing that you are seeing like a little move, if you use your measurement tools to calculate how many pips from here to this place that the market reverse, you will see that the market, this pips was big from here to here. It's something pips before the market come back to that place and break that zone. And what happened once it break out, this is what you call break and retest. Once you break out that trend line, what happened again? It starts tanking. From there, it turn to this zone and come back again, starts showing this small candle, and before it start dropping. This is a ranging market, so this place was a ranging market. So this place is just a ranging market that caused this retracement that is happening here. So on GJ, what we are seeing is just a retracement of this major move right now. So right now, I think that this retracement has ended from here. So any small retracement to the downside or maybe to hit this trend line is going to break out this zone. Anything that happened, if you come back to this place and retest again to hit the trend line here, the next force is going to break out this zone because it has been playing around here. So I don't know if this is going to be that move that will break out this zone, but anything that happened, let it happen. We are here. What we need to do is to make money. We don't care about what happened. I'm a trader, so that's what I love about trading. I'm not an investor, I'm just a trader. So I can buy, I can say I have that power, and you too, you have the power. So make that use of that power every single moment. So that's the fourth thing, the trend line. I think I've covered it. This 2024 is either stop loss or we go home stronger. As I'm saying it with boldness. It's either stop loss, we fund again, or we go home stronger. We are going to make money this year, a lot of money. You have to be very, very careful about making money this year. What I mean by careful is that you have to put your mind that I want to make money. Don't come here to pretend or to make anybody look good or try to please anybody. You want to make money. So we are going to be trading to make money this year. You get me? Yes. One of the things that you have to put in consideration this year is don't think that you are going to make profit or loss when you plan to trade. Instead, trade because your trading plan tells you to do. Always trade based on risk you can handle. It's very important. Always trade based on risk that you can handle. Hoping for a miracle is not a good way to trade. That's the other thing. Hoping for a miracle. Some of us, we come here and we are looking for a buy opportunity, and you are seeing that this market is consolidating here or ranging here. Why are you looking for a buy opportunity here? Why are you looking for a buy opportunity by this? Some people are trading even by this time of the night and they are losing money, and they don't even know what is making them lose money, because you don't pay attention to what is happening. You have to start paying attention to patterns. You have to start paying attention to details. You have to start paying attention to what am I doing wrong. Once you start knowing what you are doing wrong, that's the first step of becoming successful in trading. Don't pray for miracle and don't hope for miracle. You can never hope for miracle and make your way successful through trading. For me, my daily battle is to follow my trading plan that I set out for myself. That's my daily battle every single day. If you want to make more money this year, that's the other thing. Take more risk. Very calculated risk. Take it. It's very, very simple. The patience to wait for a trade to come to your zone is the greatest key for winning in trading. Once you have understand how to trade, the patience to wait for a trade to come to your zone, that's the very important key for winning in trading. If you have 1010 reasons why you are looking for maybe a sell opportunity right now and this market is going up, there is also 1010 reasons that this market will go up and hit your stop loss. So always apply stop loss. Yeah, always. What is success in trading for me? For me, success in trading is result. I've always said this. Success in trading for me is result. It's result. You have to show result. Because if you don't show result, brothers and sisters, you go explain tire, no evidence. I will do what it takes this year to get results for myself. I will do whatever it takes as a forex trader to become successful. I'm doing it. I'm here to make results. I'm here. That's 1001 reason why you have to be successful in trading. But the amazing thing is that the market don't care about your reason. Always use stop loss. This one is so big. If you like, have 1010 reasons, have 1 million reasons why you want to make money. You want to buy your mama a car, you want to buy your mama house, you want to give your baby this, you want to do that one, you want to do this one, your baby is in hospital, your grandfather is in police station, this one, you want to make money. The market doesn't care. So this year we are taking calculated risk, and we are managing the risk very well, and we are making money from the market. So you have to be disciplined. You have to be really disciplined and learn how trading is work. My bonus for you guys today is go read that book, The Disciplined Trader by Douglas. That's the book that we are going to be reading on our Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, do that right now. Click on the link on the description below and join my Telegram channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, because from Wednesday I'm going to be dropping that series of how I'm trading a $10 account. Yeah, I may decide to turn that $10 to a Naira account. If you are my brother and you are here, you're a Nigerian, I'll also show you guys how to do that with the broker that I'm using. So if you haven't signed up with any broker and you want to sign up with a broker, use SNS. That's the broker I'm using. I'm going to put that link on the description. Use the link on the description. Sign in with SNS right now, because that's the broker I'm going to be using to convert my dollar to Naira account and also use that to trade. So this week is going to be an amazing week. Let's go. So check out this channel on Wednesday. Turn your bell notifications so YouTube will notify you when I drop my video. Let's go.
So that's it. This is how I traded last week and how I'm going to be trading this week. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, turn your bell notification, hit that like button for your boys. See you in the next video. Peace out.